Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make a review on Floki CEO Coin. Before getting into the video, guys please do like and subscribe. If you want me to review any new token, you can drop the name of the token in the comment section below. Guys, it's not financial advice, so please do your own research before investing. Let's start the video. If we get into their website, with $FCC, there's a new boss in town. Discover the power of $FCC. Join the most fastest growing meme community on the Binance Smart Chain, run and controlled by you. Claim your stake in the future now, and witness the rapid rise of a phenomenon that's taking the world by storm on social media. To know more information about the coin, you can follow them here. Rewards. Looking for a smart investment that will generate passive income? Look no further than $FCC. By holding $FCC tokens, you'll automatically be rewarded with even more tokens. The unique design of $FCC ensures that every transaction on the blockchain generates a percentage of the fee, which is then distributed back to the token holders. With 5% of each transaction going back to the holders, you can sit back and watch your wealth grow passively. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in a cryptocurrency that rewards its holders and generates passive income. Join the $FCC community today and start earning. Tokenomics. We prioritize growth and sustainability. Our transaction fees are structured to ensure the longevity of the project, and we offer incentives for long-term $FCC holders to hold by implementing the following fees. Total supply was 1 trillion. Reflection 5%. Buyback and burn 1%. Marketing 4%. Mobile game. Floki CEO Runner is a revolutionary play-to-earn game that will be built on the $FCC token with upgradable NFTs. Floki CEO Runner promises an immersive gaming experience with the iconic Floki character at the forefront. Not only will players be able to enjoy a thrilling adventure, but they will also have the opportunity to earn rewards, win leaderboard prize pools, and upgrade their NFTs as they progress through the game. The game's innovative design and incorporation of $FCC will create a dynamic and engaging experience for players while also allowing them to benefit financially. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to join the fun and earn rewards with Floki CEO Runner. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the game's release. FCC Swap. Our swap offers the best of both worlds. $FCC holders can enjoy the lowest swap fees on the Binance Smart Chain, while liquidity providers earn some of the highest rewards, even more than PancakeSwap, regardless of whether or not they hold $FCC. Features. Secure. Fast. Low swap fees. Decentralized. Roadmap. Stage 1. Stage 2. Stage 3. Team. Crypto Goating. CryptoJacks. James Green Candle. Floki CEO Partners. Frequently asked questions. How do I purchase $FCC? How do your tokenomics work? Will the contract be renounced of ownership? What is the total supply?
Listen!